I just came home and I want to take my makeup off, and I get to use my absolute favourite product, this little super cute makeup remover pad. Completely has changed how I take my makeup off. I don't use any whites anymore. It's really simple. It's nice and soft on my face and it doesn't feel gritty or anything like that. So I'll just put it in some water first to get it damp. I don't use any cleanser or anything to take it off. Just wipe it really gently. Takes all the makeup off. Just give it a little rinse in the toning. It's really soft. At the end, when I finish taking all my makeup off, I just put a bit of soap on the pad, put a really good rinse under warm water, squeeze out the excess water, and then I'll just hang it up to dry. It's great because it can actually go through the wash as well. It's awesome. Just put a bit of soap on it and I'll show you how to take the excess makeup off. Put some water and a little squeeze. Pop mine in the washing machine every couple of days. It comes out as good as new. So my makeup's pretty much off it. There you go. Now you've seen me without makeup.